The organization's actually been around since 1898, started as Oklahoma's first orphanage in Oklahoma City, moved out to Bethany in 1909, and continued its service of supporting kids in need. So what this money will actually go towards is buying technology for our patients. So a lot of our patients need assistive technology to communicate, to eat, to really just do all those activities of daily living. And money like this actually helps us buy that technology so patients can thrive and actually go home and be restored in how they're actually able to engage their community. Well, we've been extremely blessed. I mean, really through the pandemic, we've been able to maintain a really healthy workforce. We've been able to take great care of our patients, and we've still been able to get the financial support we need to serve our community. And we're really, really grateful. We've been blessed, and we are always looking for opportunities to partner with other communities, other nonprofits in the community to see how we can help them and help each other, because we're all in this together. We're all trying to serve and make Oklahomans healthier and really more financially stable. So we're all in this together, and we want to make sure we do our part. We're thankful that we've been able to sustain our operation as well as we have, but it's thanks to people who continue to financially donate, continue to support, and we're always looking for opportunities where people can engage us through volunteering and other opportunities. I want to give our sincere appreciation and thanks for Homes by Tabor. It's companies like yours that actually step up and actually help us serve our mission. Our mission is really to help kids thrive and make sure we maximize the potential of every child and every patient. And this gives us that opportunity. If it wasn't for donors like Homes by Tabor, we wouldn't be able to buy the technology that's needed really for patients to thrive in their environment.